Hi and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. Today we're drawing Theodore Lindsay Templeton, otherwise known as Ted, from the new Boss Baby 2 movie, Boss Baby Family Business. Also star of the first Boss Baby movie, as well as the Boss Baby TV show, Boss Baby Back in Business, and the short film Boss Baby and Tim's Treasure Hunt throughout time. Oh, and the interactive special Boss Baby Get That Baby. Anyways, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay? So let's draw Boss Baby Ted. We're going to draw Ted step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, then you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Boss Baby Ted is roughly 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw his head, his entire body is just about 2 of those. Alright, so let's start with a roadmap for Ted Templeton of Boss Baby. So there's a roadmap for Baby Ted. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Ted's eyes, nose, mouth, and other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out our Boss Baby's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Boss Baby Ted. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Boss Baby. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Ted. Alrighty, there he is, Theodore Lindsay Templeton, otherwise known as Boss Baby. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Ted before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video. That's because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Boss Baby. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step of what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Ted. If you can, take a picture and post it to either Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget to include the hashtag #levelupcartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.